Do you want to make $100 per day on complete autopilot? If you were able to do this, just imagine what that would allow you to do. Would you spend more time with family? Would you treat your partner out to a nice restaurant? Would you start saving up for your dream car? Or maybe you just want to quit your job and have more freedom, more options, more peace of mind. Either way, I'm sure you see the power of passive income and what it could do for you. But what if you're completely brand new and unsure of where to start? Or what if you're someone who's skeptical and you're just wondering, is this a scam? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you 3 proven methods to make passive income online and potentially earn up to $100 per day. But before we dive in, if you like videos about online business and passive income, then definitely be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Without further ado, let's dive in. So the very first method of creating passive income online and eventually getting to $100 a day with passive income is doing something known as Amazon Kindle Publishing. Now the way that this works is, if you aren't familiar with Amazon Kindle Publishing, this is basically where you publish ebooks on the Amazon platform, and whenever someone buys a book, according to Amazon, you will get paid a 70% commission for every single sale that you generate in, all the major countries, US, Canada, UK, Germany, India, and pretty much all the major countries right there. Whenever you generate a sale, you'll get 70% of that commission. Now, here's what's really cool about Amazon Kindle Publishing, right? So what's really cool about this is it has one of the lowest startup costs, out of any business out there. You could start with $100 or in many cases, even less than that. So really think about that compared to, all the other business models out there where you need tens of thousands of dollars to start this. With this, it's $100 or less. So this is something that pretty much anyone can do is with, this business right here. Time requirement is very low. You could earn lots of passive income with this. Time to profit, it can be very quick in a lot of cases. Again, I don't want to give any sort of, guarantee or anything along those lines. You may take some traction to, of course, build up, but time to profit, you can get into profit, very quickly within a month. Learning curve is very low, and earning potential, in a lot of cases, you could earn up to $3,000 per month, or sometimes even more than that with this exact business right here. So again, I don't want to give any sort of, guarantee saying that if you do this, you're going to start making this money right away. I'll just say right off the bat, I am not doing Kindle publishing personally. This is not my main focus. However, I do want to show you an example of someone who is doing Kindle publishing, right? So here's an article that I found, thepennyhoarder.com. This is an article where someone's talking about how he made $2,000 from a single ebook, from one ebook alone on the platform. And just to give you an idea, right here we started talking about, is making as much as $350 per month on Amazon Kindle Publishing. Keep in mind, $350 per month doesn't sound like a lot by any means. This is not not like something you can fully live off of, but this is from one single book off the platform, and this is without any promotion whatsoever. This is without any additional marketing. This is with Amazon doing all the other marketing for him, right? So from people discovering his book on Amazon, he gets paid a commission whenever someone buys it, and in total he made almost $2,000 from that one ebook, with just that, one book right there. Now, again, $350, per month does not sound like a lot, but think about it like this, right? What if you got let's say, for example, 5 books on the platform, or you get 10 books that you've written one time, you get it, you do the work once, you get it put on the site, and whenever someone buys, you're getting paid those commissions over and over and over again without you really having to put in any additional effort. Do you think that, with 5 or 10 books, or, perhaps more than that, you could get to $100 a day? Of course, right? So this is something that it can add up in the long term. Again, not something that you could fully, make lots of money, very quickly, but it is something that could definitely add up, and it is one of the best ways of creating passive income online. It's something that not many people are doing, but what I would recommend is, if you were to do this, what article recommends is you want to price your book between $2.99 and $9.99, because in that case, that's the price range that most people could buy the book, and you're getting a 70% commission on that anyway. So again, it can add up even if it's a very low price. People love buying books, especially audiobooks is a great way to make passive income online, right? So this is really just to give you an idea in terms of what is possible. And let's say, for example, that you're watching this video and you might be thinking, yeah, well, what if I'm not good when it comes to writing? What if I don't feel like actually taking the time to write a book? Or it sounds like it's a lot of work. Can I still do this? You actually can. Check this out. You can go to a site called Fiverr.com. You can simply just search up, write an ebook, and you could simply hire one of these freelancers to write a book for you for like $30. I'll write an ebook on any topic. I'll write an ebook on digital marketing, for $45 or $95. I will write an ebook for you. Whoa, nice. for $100 right there. I'd pay $100 for that. And you can get a book written for like, within like a week or something like that. Keep in mind, this is one investment that you make to get one book written one time. And that one investment can then create passive income, coming back to you in the long term, right? So you can get, paid, every single month just for that one investment. And if it's a book that sells well, then of course that's, more money for you, right? So this is the first method when it comes to creating passive income online. Definitely something I recommend looking into if you want to create passive income online. But let's actually move on to the next one, which is doing YouTube, right? So YouTube is hands down one of the best ways to create passive income online. It's also one of the oldest ways online when it comes to creating passive income is doing YouTube, right? Now, in my case, I started this YouTube channel around last summer, so summer 2019, and within my first year of doing YouTube, I was fortunate enough to hit my very first 1,000 subscribers. I'm actually almost at 2,000 right now, but just recently, I got approved for the Google AdSense program, right? So I just recently got the letter in the mail, which I'm going to try zooming in real quick. I got this letter in the mail from Google AdSense, and this is basically just saying, hey, you got approved for our program. You just enter this code here, and then once you do that, then you're all good to go, right? So I did that, and within the first few days of being on this program, within like the first week, I was able to make, check this out, and I don't want to make any guarantees, but I was able to make over $100 within like a week or so of being on the platform, right? So first day I made $1.89, $16.93, and as you can see, I mean, these are not like massive amounts, per day, but if it's completely passive, it definitely does add up in the long term, right? So again, this is definitely a great way to build a passive income. And it's something that, as you keep going, it grows, more and more. This is something where, you just start and immediately you start making, money right away. You do have to be doing YouTube very consistently. In my case, I went like the first 6 months without earning a single cent. But I just kept going because I knew that it's something that, it can really add up in the long term, right? So there's a really good book on this called The Compound Effect. And basically the message is small actions repeated over the long term can create a massive impact, right? And in this case, that actually is shown to be the truth, right? So as you can see right here, it definitely does add up in the long term, right? So the way that Google AdSense works is whenever someone clicks on your video and they watch a video and like an ad displays, you will of course get paid for that, right? So this shows like the top earning videos that have earned the most money. So like the Warrior Plus video I did a while back earned like $14 so far. And this is really just to, give you an idea, right? So this is the second method when it comes to creating passive income online. And, the nice thing about YouTube, the other thing I'd like to mention is you don't have to just rely on Google AdSense. There's plenty of other ways to monetize a YouTube channel, such as method number 3, which I want to get into right now, which is doing affiliate marketing. Now, in my case, there's a few different things I promote online that I've promoted with this channel. One of them is a program called 4%. And throughout the time that I've been affiliated with them, I was able to make over $1,000 with just this one income stream alone. This is just with one income stream. I was able to earn an extra $1,000 right there. Here's another program that I promoted that I earned a little over $600 with. So 644 in total. About $595 has been paid out. Here's another one. This is a web hosting company called Bluehost. Got a $65 commission from that one. And if you aren't familiar with how affiliate marketing works, it's basically where you have product owners right here, and then you have business owners on the right. Essentially, how affiliate marketing works is you have, the customer over here, you have the business owner right here, and the business owner wants to get more sales to his business, right? He wants to generate more revenue, and you as the affiliate, you are basically the middleman, and your goal is simply to connect the two together, right? So anytime you refer a customer to check out a product, and they of course make a purchase through that business, you will of course get paid a commission, right? And this is really, hands down, in my opinion, it's the simplest way to make passive income online, or to really make money online in general. It's just simply by recommending products and services, and then of course getting paid a commission, right? So the benefit here is you don't have to deal with any inventory. There is no customer service. There is no, shipping and fulfillment or anything along those lines. There's nothing along those lines. It's pretty much just recommending products and services online. And again, anytime someone goes to your link and they make a purchase, you will of course get paid that commission. So that's pretty much how affiliate marketing works in a nutshell. Now, if you're on this video right now and you want to learn more about how to do affiliate marketing, step by step, and you want to learn how to create passive income with affiliate marketing, I do have a free training that you can check out. It's the very first link down below. When you click that very first link, it'll take you to the page where you can check out my free 4-day training. And all you have to do here is simply enter your first name, your email, click on the button, and from there you're getting instant access to my free 4-day training, right? So this is going to show you more into detail about how to build a highly profitable business online by selling other people's products. So that's really what this training goes over. And you want to learn more about how to do this stuff step by step, just check out this training down below. And anyways, Hope you got lots of value in this video. If you did, be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments section down below. Give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you hear my cat in the background, I apologize about that. But anyways, hope you enjoyed this video and take care.